Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so very happy to have you guys here as always. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, my name is Gloria and I do mostly these sit down videos. Okay, tips, ideas, tricks, a lot. Okay, especially when it comes to our health. So consider hitting that subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you will notify when I upload a new video. Today I have my beautiful, my handsome, my son here. Okay, whatever. I have my son here with me and he's going to be giggling. He's going to be talking. Yes, he's going to be just making that noise. Okay, so please bear with us. Thank you. So today I'm talking about foods that you need to eat during your periods. I have a video about food that you need to avoid, foods that you need to avoid during your periods, okay, and a lot of reasons why you should avoid those foods. So you can check it out, okay, after this video. But today I'm talking about foods that you need during your periods. When you're having cramping during your period, there are a lot of food that you can eat also to relieve this. Or when you have heavy flow and all that, there are foods that you need. In fact, normally as a woman, you lose blood every month during this particular period. So there are food that you can eat to help your system. So these are the things we are talking about today. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is omega-3 fatty acid. Okay, omega-3 fatty acid can be found in fish like salmon and other things too. Okay, so salmon contains omega-3 acids and vitamins, vitamin B6 and a lot of other vitamins like vitamin D, and you need vitamin D as a woman. Okay, so these vitamins and this omega-3 acid will help your system to relieve inflammation particularly. And if you are always having cramping during your period, then inflammation is what you need to fight. So this kind of food will help fight inflammation. Another thing I'm talking about is iron. Iron will help your system a lot because you are losing blood, you are losing iron. Your iron level is reducing definitely because you are on your periods. Okay, so what are the things that you can eat to give you iron? Things like kale, things like pumpkin leaves, things like spinach and all that. These things will help to supplement your body and give you enough iron, which is what you need to be strong. So something like fatigue, tiredness and all that, you know what I mean, during your period will be solved when you eat your iron. Okay, when you get enough iron, that's what I mean. So you can go about getting your green veggies, okay, like those spinach and those things I mentioned, okay, will help to supplement your system. Another thing is ginger tea. This is one thing that you always do and it's very, very good. Okay, instead of taking that alcohol and making it a habit of taking alcohol or coffee and all that, you can go about taking your ginger tea every morning. Okay, prepare your ginger tea and take it. Even if it's raw, it is very good for your system. Okay, this will help to alleviate pains and smoothen your system. Okay, your your stomach, help your digestive system and fight bloating. Okay, so when you're on your period and you're having a lot of pains and here and there, you don't need bloating. So this will help to fast forward everything. Another thing we are going to be talking about is calcium. Okay, yes, calcium has a lot of property to help reduce cramping. So how do you get this calcium? You get calcium from those dark and greeny leafy vegetables. Okay, those things contain calcium. Another way you can also get it is through dairy products. If you prefer dairy products, you can go for it, but you have options of going for greeny and dark veggies. Okay, they have calcium in them and they will help to reduce cramping and help you feel free, get painless periods. Okay, stay free from pains and crampings during your period. So get enough calcium. Okay, another thing I'm going to be talking about is your chocolate. Okay, chocolate has, yes, particularly dark chocolate. Okay, research has that it contains antioxidant properties, okay, that will help your system. As a woman that sees your period often, you need to keep your system in balance. Okay, so to balance your system, these antioxidants will help fight all those things that is not needed in your system. Yes, that's my. Another thing is Magnesium is very, very important in your system. Okay, it will help to relieve you of those cramping and pains. Okay, it goes through your cells and your nerves, okay, to make things free and fight inflammation so that you stay free from pains, cramping. So magnesium is very important. It can be found is in things like oatmeal. Okay, so you can go ahead and prepare your oatmeal around this time when you're on your period. Okay, prepare your oatmeal and grab it, enjoy it, because it is going to give you that magnesium that you need, that your system needs, especially during your periods. Okay, so another thing I'm going to be talking about is things like cumin, curry, and all these spices we use in cooking food. Okay, these spices are very good to your system. They have a lot of properties that will help to fight inflammation, help to your system to be free. Okay, they have a lot of properties, okay, that will help your system, so you can go ahead and incorporate them into your food. You can also make a tea of cumin, like cumin tea, okay, or curry tea, and drink it. This tea helps your system. Okay, so that is the final. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, okay, to get more videos from this channel. Okay, that's if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for being with me. See you guys in my next video. Let me also see your comments of what you think and a lot more. I would love to see you guys in my next video.